If you've been injured in an auto accident and have headaches, you may have a concussion. Especially in a rear end collision, what happens is person gets rear-ended, the head goes back and then whips forward. And what happens is the brain within the skull can rattle even if your head doesn't hit the steering wheel or the windshield. Symptoms of dizziness, lightheadedness, light sensitivity, sensitivity to noise are all symptoms of a concussion. So at Concord Chiropractic, we treat that with cold laser, with chiropractic, and with assisted stretching and nutritional therapy.